Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, good evening, and welcome to our class for today. So, my name is Teacher Iris. How about you? What is your name?
Pandi. Pandi. My name is Wendam. My name is Wendam.
What is your name? Hundong? Is that correct?
Yes.
How do you spell Hundong? Is it like this one? Is this correct?
Wendam. H U E
Ye-
N N. Um H U Y
Y
N
H.
D O N G.
Wow, thank you so much. Hello. Is this your brother? I remember you in our class last time. Hello, Yindong. Nice to meet you.
Hello, me.
You can say nice to meet you too, teacher. How are you? How are you today, Yindong? Are you happy? Are
Yes.
Yes, wow, that's very good. And are you ready for our lesson for today? Yes or no?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So let us start our lesson for today. So for our lesson, so we will talk about Unit 1, which is first day.
One.
Yes, let's say first day.
First day.
Wow, very good. And we will talk about school supplies.
Go and light.
Very good. One more time. Let's say supplies.
Supplies.
Very good. Supplies.
Supply.
Very good. So we will talk about in this lesson all about school supplies. So when we say school supplies, Yundong, so we are talking about the things that we have at school. Okay. So do you go at school? Do you go to school, Yundong? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So now we will talk about the things that you have at school. So are you ready for this lesson? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go to our next page. So for this one, let's first listen with these words. Okay,
Page 6.
can you hear
Box.
the page 6? Can you
Box.
hear? Yes or no?
Box. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Lesson
Okay, so let's listen to this sound.
Page 6. Lesson 2. School supplies. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Book,
2,
Box.
notebook,
Notebook.
3,
Very good.
desk,
4,
Yes. That's
chair,
correct.
Oh, wow, very good. So now let's read again our words here, which is our school supplies. So let's read this first. Let's say book.
Box.
Very good. One more time. Let's say book.
Box.
Very good. Nice job. Next, notebook. Let's say
Next box.
notebook.
Nose book.
Notebook.
Notebook.
Very good. Wow, good job. Next, let's say desk.
Desk.
Very good. Next, chair.
Next dress.
Very good. One more time. Let's say chair.
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 Very good. So now let's learn more about the school supplies that we have. So let's go to our next page. Okay, Yundong, what is this?
Book.
Very good. This is a book. What color is the book?
Blue.
Very good. Wow. So it's color blue. And for
Color
the
blue.
very good. Wow, good job. So when we say book, so it is what we use to read. We use a book to read. So we use books to read. Let's say read. Let's say read.
We use books to read.
Very good. Wow, good job. So, Yundong, do you like to read a book? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now let's say, yes, I like. Let's read. Let's read our sentence. Yes,
Yes.
I like.
I to read a book.
Very good. Wow, good job. So next, let's go to our next page. What school supply is this?
Next book. Book.
Very good. One more time. Let's say note book.
Notebook.
Good job. Okay, let's try to say it 3 times. Let's say notebook, notebook, notebook.
Notebook.
Okay, one more time. Let's say it 3 times. Notebook, notebook, notebook.
Notebook. Notebook. Notebook.
Wow, very good. Good job. So this is a notebook. What color is the notebook?
It's coloring.
Very good. One more time. Let's say green.
Green.
Very good. And when we say notebook, so we use notebook to write. We write like this. So I have here, teacher has have here a notebook. Ta-da! Oh, can you see it? This is teacher's notebook. Let's
Notebook.
open. Yes, this is, it cannot be seen.
Notebook.
Oh no. This is a notebook. Do you have a notebook? You know? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Wow, very good. What do you like to write in your notebook? Do you like to draw in your notebook?
Yes.
Yes. Wow, very good. What do you like to draw in your notebook? Do you like to draw
What
animals?
do you try to
Draw gì?
draw?
Vẽ gì?
Yes. What do you like to write in your notebook?
Car. Vẽ car.
Yeah,
Draw.
Car.
I like to draw car. You like to draw car?
No.
No. What do you like to
And
draw?
Truck.
Truck. You like to draw truck?
Yes.
Wow, very good. So let's say I like to draw truck. Let's read this one. I like
I like to
to
saw truck.
draw truck. Very good. Good job. So next, let's go with our next one. What is this? What is this? This is a desk.
This
That's
this
Very,
this that
very good. One more time. Let's say desk.
That's
this
Desk. Very good. Let's say it 3 times. Desk, desk, desk.
this 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 this
Very good. Now let's look at the picture. What color is the desk? What color?
brown.
Brown. Very good. It's color brown. Good job. Now, teacher has a question. Do you have
It
a desk? Do you have a
is
desk?
color brown.
Very good. It's color brown. Now, teacher has another question, Yundong. Do you have a desk?
You do you have a scarf?
Oh, that's
Okay, one more
No,
time. Let's see. Desk. No, you don't have a desk?
có cái
No.
bảng không?
yes.
No,
Yes? Yes or no?
no chứ.
No,
Yundong, do you have
no,
a desk? No, you
no.
don't have a desk. How about at school? In your school, do you have a desk?
Yes.
Yes, let's say I have a desk. Okay, let's say I have.
I have
I have
a desk
a desk
at school.
in
At school.
school.
Very good. Good job. So you have a desk at school. So in our desk, this is where we put our things at school. So we use it to write in our notebook. So next, let's go with our next school supply. What is this, Yundong? This is
Two.
a chair. Very good. One more time. Let's say it 3 times. Let's say chair, chair, chair.
Three.
Very good. So, what do we use a chair for? We use, let's say, we use a chair to sit.
Teacher, may I roll out?
Okay, sure, sure. You will go to the bathroom. Okay.
Đi không cho?
Hello again, Yundong. Are you ready now?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So now, let's take a look at the picture. What is the color of the chair?
Còn gì?
It
Yellow.
very
It's color
good.
yellow.
It's
Color yellow.
Very good. Good job. So its color yellow. So for the chair, so we use a chair to sit. So do you have a chair, Yundong?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Good job. So next. Okay, so next let's go with our next page. Okay, so for this one, let's again listen. Okay.
Page 6. B. Listen and say. Then practice.
It's a book. It isn't a notebook. It's.
Notebook.
It is. Isn't. Is not.
Okay. So for this one, let's try to read this sentence pattern, Yundong. Let's read this one. Let's say it's a book.
Book. It's a book.
Very good. Next. It's
Next. Next book.
very good. Let's say
Is.
it
It
is.
is.
Very good. So let's take a look with the word that is used in this sentence. So we use it's. So it's is short for it is. So we use this word to tell what the thing is. Like this one. It's a book. This one. It's a book. Okay, so let's. Very good. It's a book. How about this one? How about this one? Do you know what is this? You know? It's
Yes.
what is this?
I'm a moose.
Minions. Yeah. It what is this? We call this as toy.
Minion.
Minion.
Very good. Minion. So let's say it's a minion.
It's a medium.
Very good. How about this one, Yundong? What is this? It's a Caesar.
Syrup.
It's a Caesar.
Very
It's
good. Very good. How about this one? What is this?
Yeah,
It's
đọc giúp em. It's a pen.
It's a pen.
very good. How about this one? What is this? It's
It's a flower.
It's a flower.
very good. Good job. So we will use it's when we are telling what something is, like those in our example. Now, let's go with this sentence pattern. So let's read our second sentence. Let's say it isn't a notebook.
It's
That's
a.
It isn't.
It isn't a
Not.
notebook.
very good. One more time. Let's say it isn't.
It isn't.
It isn't.
Very good. So it isn't, as we look at this one, so it is short for it is not. So when we say it isn't or it isn't or it is not, so we use this to tell things that's not what it is. So like this one. So what is this, Yundong? This is, what is this? This one is a book.
Đọc đi chị em. A book.
A book.
A book, very good. Is this a notebook?
Is it a notebook?
Is it a notebook?
This one. Is it a notebook? Yes or no?
Yes.
Huh? Are you sure? What is this? This is a book. Is it a
No.
notebook? No, no,
No.
no, very good. So we will say it isn't a notebook?
It's a notebook.
Very good. Okay. So let's try to practice this sentence. So teacher will tell you something and you will say if it is or it isn't. Now, let's look at this. This one. Is this a pen? Is this a pen, Yundong? Yes or no?
No.
No,
No. So we will say it isn't a
This
pen.
isn't.
a pen.
It isn't a pen.
Very good. Next. How about this one? Is this a pen? Is this a pen? Yes or no?
No.
No,
No. So we will say it isn't.
this isn't a
A pen.
It isn't a pen.
It isn't a pen.
This isn't a pen.
Very good. What is this? What animal is this?
Con này gì?
Dog,
Very good. So we will say it's a dog.
It's
It's
a dog.
is a dog.
very good. Good job. One more time. So let's practice one more time. So this one. Is this a pen? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes. So what we will say? It's
it's
a pen.
a pen.
Very good. Nice job. So okay, so good job in practicing with this sentence pattern. Now, let's practice more of these things for you to be able to understand. So let's take a look and listen to the audio.
1,
It's a book. It isn't a notebook.
Okay, one more time. Let's
Two.
listen.
1,
It's a book. It isn't a notebook.
Okay, so Yundong, let's take a look at number or the first school supply. So what is this, Yundong?
Book,
Book, very good. So what we will say? It's a
is a book.
very good. Is this a notebook? Yes or no?
Yes,
No.
No. This is what is this? This is a book. So we will say it isn't a
This
notebook.
isn't a notebook.
it isn't a notebook.
Very good. Good job. So now let's have practice again. So what is this, Yundong? It's a
It's a gì?
It's a
Cái này. Cái này.
it's a
very,
book.
very good. Is this a notebook? Yes or no?
Cái đâu nộp nè.
Yes,
It's a no. It isn't. Let's say it isn't a notebook. It's a book. So it
Yes.
isn't a notebook. Okay. So next, let's listen to number 2, school supplies.
2,
It's a notebook. It isn't a book.
Okay, one more time.
2,
It's a notebook. It isn't a book.
Okay, so let's take a look at our second school supply. What is this, Yundong? It's a what?
Họ đi về phải đi.
It's a
Chứ mày có học không?
what is this? It's a
yes, book.
notebook. Very good. Is this a book? Yes or no?
Yes,
No.
No.
No, very good. What is this? This is a note. A note.
book.
Book. Very good. So we will say it isn't a book. Let's say it isn't a book.
Isn't a book.
Very good. Next, listen to number 3.
3.
It's a desk. It isn't a chair. Notebook
Lo tập trung ở đây.
isn't a book.
Okay, one more time. Number 3.
3.
It's a desk. It isn't a chair.
3.
It's a desk. It isn't a chair.
Okay, so let's take a look with this one. Number 3. So what is this, Yundong? We call it as
Yes.
desk. So we will say it's a desk. It's
Đọc.
a desk.
Desk.
Very good. Is this a chair? Yes or no? Yes or no, Yundong? Is this a chair? Yes or no?
Cái này phải
It
che không?
is
No.
no. So we will say it isn't.
It isn't a chair.
It isn't a chair.
Very good. Nice job. It isn't a chair. Now let's listen to the last school supply.
4.
It's a chair. It isn't a desk.
Okay, one more time.
4.
It's a chair. It isn't a desk.
Okay, now let's take a look to our 4th school supply. What is this, Yunong? This is a chair.
Chair.
Very good. So we will use it is. It's a chair. It's a.
It's a chair.
It's a chair.
Very good. Next. Is this a desk? Yundong, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Is it a desk or is it a chair? This
It's
one
a chair.
is
A chair.
a chair. So we will say it isn't a desk.
Isn't a desk.
Very good. One more time. What is this, Yundong? This one. It's a.
Chair.
Very good. Is this a desk? Is this a desk?
Isn't a desk.
This isn't a desk.
A desk.
A desk.
Very good. Good job. So that's how we will use it is or it isn't. Very good. So now let's go to our next page. So this is the answer, the correct answer. So now let's have let's have a look in this school supply. What is
A
this,
chair.
Yunda? Very good. So what we
It's
will
a
say,
chair.
it's a chair. Very good. Next, let's go to our next school supply. This one. What is this?
It's
It's
a notebook.
very good. It's a notebook. How about our next one? What is this? This one.
It's a book.
Very good. Good job. It's a book. How about the next one? What is this? Is it a desk or a chair?
Chair. Desk.
Desk. Very good. It's a desk. So
Desk.
this one is the desk. Very good. So the desk is a table. So next, let's go to our next school supply. Do we have more? Oh no. So now let's have this song before we end our lesson. So let's listen to this song.
Page 7. C. Sing. What is it?
A book, it isn't a notebook. A book, it isn't a desk. A book, it isn't a pencil.
What is it?
It's a book. A chair, it isn't a notebook. A chair, it isn't a desk. A chair, it isn't a pencil.
What is it?
It's a chair.
A book, it isn't a notebook. A book, it isn't a desk. A book, it isn't a pencil. What is it? It's a book. A chair, it isn't a notebook. A chair, it isn't a desk. A chair, it isn't a pencil. What is it? It's a chair.
Okay, so good job. So now, teacher has one last question for you, Yundo. What is this in the picture? It's a
Is a book.
very good. How about this one? What is this?
Is a chair.
Very good. Wow, good job. So now we will end our lesson here, Yundong. So thank you very much for your active participation today. So you did a great job. So nice to meet you again and see you again soon, Yundong. You did a
See
great
you again.
job. Bye bye. See you again. Bye bye.
Bye bye.